This is a special edition broadcast from the Irish Roots Cafe. Today we have another very special interview we've done with the Everyday Irish, and it all happens at the Brown's Irish Festival. Brown's happens to be the oldest Irish-run business in North America. Heck, and I think it's South America and maybe even the world. They're still waiting for final judgment on that, but I know of no one older and better to go find what the Irish heritage was like generations back. So we've got a series of 10 interviews developed that we took at the last year's festival, and we hope you enjoy it. And it's going to include the Irish, the non-Irish, and the kings and paupers and thieves and just the whole lot, the whole range of the Irish. So I hope you enjoy it. It coming to you from the Irish Roots Cafe at www.irishroots.com. And I'm Mike OLaughlin. Here's today's interview. Well, now here we came to, what is this? Irish Museum and Cultural Center. They're here at Brown's today. Could you tell us a little bit about who you are and why you're here? And do you have any memories of Brown's in the past or even today?
Well, my name is Elizabeth Duke, and I'm here with my husband, Tom Kane, and my son, Sean, and we're volunteers at the Irish Center, and we've been out at Brown's Festival here for the last 3 years, I think. And we always use Brown's for box lunches because they have fabulous food.
Oh, so then the Irish Museum and Brown's know each other pretty well, and they work together and help the community out.
Yeah, actually part of our display, one of our exhibits down at the Irish Center has some things from Brown's in it, and we often have groups of people come in for different occasions, and we have them bring food. So we really enjoy working with Brown's.
Oh, I tell you what, here you got the Irish Museum working with the oldest Irish business in North America. What a combination. And who do you have here?
Sean Kane's the name.
Sean Kane, do you have any memories or thoughts about Brown's?
Well, all of our breakfast tea at home is from Brown's, I'll tell you that much.
Oh, well, that's a good reason to go here. What else? You buy any of your T-shirts or the deli? You ever eat at the deli there they have inside?
Yeah, we eaten at the deli here a couple times. I got a watch from Brown's. It was a Mullingar Pewter. Got it right before my freshman year in high school in 2007, and lost the next day, so...
Oh, geez, the luck of the Irish wasn't with you that day.
Afraid not. Comes from my English side.
Oh, my, we heard that. We don't want to get people in trouble here now. Well, thanks a lot. This was the Irish Museum and Cultural Center. Thank you very much. Well, that's the end of today's interview with the Everyday Irish here at Brown's Irish Festival. Each year they have an anniversary party, and each year it gets better. And we've got a series of interviews trying to show the history of the Irish, maybe just like it was in your town, but see what you listen to and what you like, and come back for more. We've got several more interviews coming up, so stay tuned for those. Thanks. This is Mike at www.irishroots.com at the Irish Roots Cafe.
Shak and take it huban salakudio, it's go to heavy no shalakudio. Shak and take it huban salakudio, it's go to heavy no shalakudio.